Hello guys, welcome to my one more video of SAP ABAP Topics. And in this video we'll see about ABAP List Viewer, that is ALV report in short. It is used to display the data in list format or in grid format. Grid format is nothing but it will be shown in the form of rows and columns mostly, and then mostly in table. And in ABAP list viewer we have mainly two function modules, that is a field catalog merge and ALV list display. And when it comes to ALV we have a small program. At first go to the T code AC38, give some name, save it as choose executable program, write the code, save it, check, activate and execute. And in the code, just I roughly explain the code because this code is familiar to you. In the previous video also you have seen. First we declare the tables, then we declare the internal table. In the data we declare the internal table work area. Here we have field catalog. LT field catalog means internal field catalog. LS field catalog means it is work area field catalog. So one is like internal table, one is like work area. And parameters, as parameters is not good in this time, we are taking selection screen. As you can see, I have made it in comment. You can use the symbol asterisk. So declare the selection screen, begin a block with frame title, and in the middle give the select options svbln for a table name hyphen the variable, and then come to the select statement. In the select statement, uh, select fields into the table, internal table, from the main table, from where condition. In means we are selecting the values in range 1 to 10, 1 to 20 like that. And then loop the data, loop at internal table into work area, then write means we are displaying this ls data. Here ls underscore data, it is small mistake, ls underscore data hyphen the whatever the variables, the fields you want to display. And okay, here we have one clean loop, that is after after iterating it, you need to import one function through call function. Okay, when you call the function you need to mention reuse a underscore elv underscore field catalog underscore merge. In that you need to uncomment structure name and ct field catalog. In the structure name you need to give create and give one structure with the fields whatever we are selecting in the select statement, and in the internal table we will give it here and just leave them. And in the end we need to call one more one, that is reuse alv list display. After that just focus on IT field catalog. Here we need to give the internal field catalog, and then here we just focus on the tables. In tables we need to give the internal table, that is where all the data will be stored from in the select statement. Yes, that's about the internal ALV report. Interactive ALV report, we have one more concept. Interactive ALV report is nothing but when we use the set pf status and user command, just like in the classic interactive classical report we have seen like that. We need to uh, call, just like we need to set the pf status, we need to declare one we need to declare one button or something, and then the user command will declare its functionality. And that's it for the video. We will see some important topics in the upcoming videos. Thank you.